Hi, I'm Sophie from Sophie-World.com, and today is a very exciting day because I get to review this box from bookandbear.com. Bookandbear.com is a subscription service, and what they do is every month they send you a box, and in that box you're going to find your very own stuffed animal that you get to make, along with some other surprises, and my favorite, a book. So it mixes making things, which I love doing, and reading, which is one of my very favorite things to do. So I'm super excited to open this box, and we're going to take a peek and see what's inside. But before we do, I just want to tell you a little bit about them. So they're a subscription service. You sign up, I think you sign up 3 months at a time. Or longer. And what happens is at the beginning of each month, about the 4th of each month, they will send you a box. Now, each season, spring, summer, winter, and fall, has its own theme. And spring, this year, the theme is dinosaurs. So, shall we get opening? I'm really excited. Let's see what's inside, shall we? One of the nice things that I've read about with bookandbear.com is that there's an online community that supports mothers and gives you lots of tips. And ooh, look, here we go. So you want to make sure that you sign up for that when you sign up for the subscription. Okay, so inside here we've got this pretty tissue paper, and I love this kind of stuff. This is so great. I like to save this for crafting projects. And there we see, oh, that's a Triceratops. I love Triceratops. They're my personal favorite animal. So this is your stuffed animal skin, and it's a nice quality. It's got a little bit of a pattern there that you can see that's very scale-like. It's very soft. It's got some little claws there, and his head is already stuffed, and his horns are. What we're going to be stuffing today are his arms and his body, and it looks like his tail is already stuffed, and it looks like the stuffing just is going to go right in here. So we'll do that after we take a look at the rest of the stuff in the box here. Okay, so it looks like we've got some adoption papers and a little heart to put inside. And I think this is to help get the stuffing in, to push the stuffing in. Yes, that's for pushing the stuffing in. Okay, oh, and speaking of the stuffing, okay, so normally when you see stuffing, it's all puffed up, which is great. What's great about this is that they have actually vacuum sealed this in the bag, and so it sucked all the air out of it. And I have a feeling what's going to happen is when we cut this open, it's going to go and poof up, which is going to be fun. Okay, oh, and it looks like those are the instructions are back here. Yeah, those are the instructions. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Oh, look, there's a little dinosaur. Oh, that is so cute. Look how cute that dinosaur is. Oh, I wish I remembered the name of this dinosaur. I've always loved these because they have that horn on the head. This is a very nice plastic dinosaur. Very nice in my collection. And then, oh, here's the thing I'm most excited about. The book. Oh, yes, I'm so excited about the book. All right. So let's open up the book. Oh, and it's about a Triceratops. If I Had a Triceratops by George O'Connor. Look at these drawings. Oh, I'm so, oh, look, he's got little horns on his head and on his nose. If I Had a Triceratops. Well, you know what we're going to do? We're actually going to do a little reading after this is all done because this is so exciting. All right, I love books. Books are my favorite thing in the whole wide world, next to maybe snacks. Okay, so let's put this off to the side and let's stuff our dinosaur, shall we? First thing I think we got to do is we're going to have to open this up. So I'm going to need a pair of scissors. So hold on one sec. Look at that. That's so great. Okay, so we're going to take our little dinosaur and open up its back here. And you can see there's Velcro here, and then there is like a little strip of fabric. And then you take that strip of fabric off, and then there's going to be Velcro underneath that. So if you reach inside here, you're going to find that there is a little sleeve. And that sleeve allows you to get inside the dinosaur. So see, you can get into the leggies. And I've done teddy bear stuffing before, so I'm going to give you a couple little tips here. One of the things that you want to do is don't want to do too much at a time, but you want to stuff the limbs first. And so you want to get that stuffing all the way into the toes. And I believe that's what this stick is for. If your hand doesn't quite fit in there, or if you're having a little trouble, you can just use the stick to poke it in there. There we go. As you can see, I'm getting that into his leg there. And we're going to go to the other side here. I'm going to stuff his other little leg. This is nice stuffing. I have been doing stuffed animals for a long, long time. This is really silky, high quality stuffing, I have to say. So I've got my little legs stuffed. So all my legs are stuffed. And now I'm going to add this stuffing for the body. Now, again, maybe I'll just show you how this little stuffing thing would work here. I love the little adoption papers. Look at that. Look how cute those adoption papers are. So I'm going to take my stick here, and the stick you can use to get that stuffing down into the limbs so you get it nice and tight, because you want those legs to really be compact. So now I'm going to stuff the body. And they give you the perfect amount of stuffing here. They got it figured out, let me tell you. I can't get over how nice this stuffing is. It's really, really high quality stuffing. And I should know, I do a lot of Build-A-Bear stuff, and this is really, really nice stuffing. That's the perfect amount of stuffing. I mean, like exactly the perfect amount of stuffing. Look how cute he is. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, now to seal him up, just so you can see this, there's a little zip tie here, and you pull that, but not before you take your heart and make a wish. I usually like to give it a little kiss. Here, you can give it a kiss too. And then you put that on in there. And then you pull this like that, just like a little zip tie. Now you can get rid of this and then push it in. Now, this is the one thing whenever we have done stuffed animals that people forget to do. You have to remove that little piece of fabric from your Velcro, because you want to make sure that the Velcro sticks. So the reason it's on there is so it doesn't stick ahead of time. Okay, so just go like that, and stuffing doesn't get caught. There we go. Seal that up. Easy peasy. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. What a new friend. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's go read the book. Should we go read the book? If I had a Triceratops, and I do. If I had a Triceratops, I'd be sure to take good care of her. Owning a Triceratops is a lot of work. I would give her a house of her own in the backyard with lots of room to run around. Oh, look at that house. But I might let her sleep in my room when she gets scared. If I had a Triceratops, I would take her for lots and lots of walks. She does look a little scared over there, doesn't she? And I'd be sure to clean up after her, of course. Oh dear. That's a big job. No wonder he has a shovel. Going for walks would be a great chance for my Triceratops to make new friends. And me too, I guess. Look at those Triceratopses making friends. I don't think this one's a Triceratops. That's a different one. Playing fetch would be another excellent way for her to get exercise. Ooh. Oh dear. Look what happened. If I had a Triceratops, I'd train her well and teach her tricks. Like sit up, roll over, play dead, and high five. Can you do that? Sit up, roll over, play dead, and high five. I bet my Triceratops would like to dig holes. If she found any large bones, I wouldn't let her chew on them. She could choke. And besides, they might belong to a relative of hers. Gotta be careful about that. And when she gets dirty, I'll give her a bath. Oh, no, don't shake. If I had a Triceratops, she would protect my home from burglars and maybe even the occasional T-Rex. And if sometimes she got into trouble, like for eating my homework, or chasing the neighbor's car, well, it would all be worth it when she runs out to greet me at the end of the day. Yeah, there's my girl. If I had a Triceratops, I would be the luckiest kid in all the world. Okay, I really like this book. I like the drawings. I like the story. I like how the Triceratops is kind of just like a big giant dog. And I like that I can read it with my very own Triceratops. These are very high quality toys. It's a very high quality stuffing, very nice and soft, very friendly, very cute. The books are adorable. I would say that from my perspective, and I work with a lot of kids' books and a lot of toys and things like that. This is all very, very high quality, good product. Bookandbear.com. Check them out. They have wonderful stuff. And for more great stuff, come check us out at Sophie World. Come, bye. Me and my Triceratops are going to go for a walk.